up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Christina here, obviously. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. I'm so excited about today's video. I'm doing a full get the look inspired by Shay Mitchell. I saw this look on her a couple months back on Instagram and I immediately saved it. I was like, oh my gosh, I love that makeup. I love that velvet tuxedo. I need to recreate this. And I think it's the perfect look for the holiday season. I'm sure you guys have tons of parties and events to go to. So if you want some fun makeup, a really cool outfit, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll start with makeup and then I'll do a little styling session at the end. All right, cool. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. First, I'm gonna prep my face with some Magic Cream. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I absolutely love it. I've been using it for years. It's just super hydrating and it smells so good, like roses. Love that. Then I'm gonna use some primer. This is also Charlotte Tilbury. Next, for my face, I always put on concealer. I always put concealer to cover my blemishes. I have some acne scars on my chin, as well as to lighten and cover some dark circles underneath my eyes. I'm using the MERCIER Flawless Fusion Concealer. Got my eyebrows done on Friday for the first time because I was at this event and they had someone doing your eyebrows and they were giving away free Glossier product if you use your eyebrows, and I'm obsessed with Glossier Boy Brow, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do it. But I feel like, oh, this is why I don't do my eyebrows. I feel like I just don't have them anymore. Like, she took off so much hair and groomed them too much. I mean, they're not bad, but they're definitely, they're not what they used to be. I feel like she took off so much hair from up top and they were like a little bit more squared before, which I liked. So now I have to wait for them to grow back and I'm like kind of pissed about it. Whatever. I mean, not whatever, those are my eyebrows. Don't let people touch your face. That's my suggestion. When I do my eyebrows, I normally just use Glossier Boy Brow, which is my absolute obsession. But Shay's eyebrows are super filled in and done up, so I just tried filling them in using this NYX brow pencil instead of using Glossier Brow Wiz. And to be honest with you, I meant to use it and I completely forgot and I was like pissed at myself later on. Normally I would use this NYX pencil and then follow up with Boy Brow. Next, I like to do my eyeshadow and I'm using the Exaggereyes palette from Charlotte Tilbury. I start with the lightest color, number 1, and brush it all over my lid. Then use color number 2 and brush it and blend it into the crease of my eyelid and out almost to create a triangle-like shape. Then I use this Charlotte Tilbury Bar Gold palette to add some shimmer to my eyelid. With my finger, I lightly press the gold shimmer on my lid, inner corners of my eyes, as well as right below my brows. Now it's time to curl my lashes before I apply any eyeliner or mascara. I am always curling lashes. I feel like it's really a game changer. If you're wondering why mascara works for some people, not for you, try using an eyelash curler. I feel like it always helps. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Laura Geller Line and Define liquid eyeliner to create the cat eye. Practicing a cat eye definitely helps perfect it. However, I love the Line and Define. I feel like it is the easiest product for me to use. It's almost like using a magic marker and just drawing on your face. I then use the other side of the Line and Define, which is a pretty teal green color, and line my bottom eyelid. I then take the Charlotte Tilbury Rebel palette and go over the green eyeliner in this lighter green color. I definitely added a couple layers of this Charlotte Tilbury palette just because I wanted the green to pop a little bit more, and the Laura Geller Line and Define teal color was a little bit too teal for me, but I liked how easily that went on, so I just feel like together they were a perfect combination. After I add the green liner and shadow to both eyes, I then use a light concealer around my under eyes to cover any spillage from the eyeliner. Now it's time for foundation. I'm using the Laura Geller Filter First foundation that I put on all over my face and blend in with the Beauty Blender. Now it's time to highlight and contour. For contouring, I use a darker Laura Geller concealer and put it around my face, under my cheekbones, and on the sides of my nose. I then go in with a lighter concealer that I put on the spots I want to highlight under my eyes, the ridge of my nose, and under my eyes. Then I blend it all in again with the Beauty Blender. For bronzer, I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. As you can see, it's almost done because I use this bronzer all the time. For blush, I'm using this Cargo blush in the color Bali. For highlighter, I'm going back to the same Charlotte Tilbury palette I used on my eyes. I take the brush and run it across all 3 colors and then apply it on top of my cheekbones and just layer it up. Layer until you feel like you are glowing. That's what I like to do. And yes, in case you were wondering, I just used the same brush for bronzer, blush, and highlighter. And while that might give some makeup artists a heart attack, I find it works for me. For mascara, I'm using the KUSH mascara from Milk Makeup, which is my newest obsession. In Shay's look, she definitely has beautiful false eyelashes on. And while I think that looks so great, I just don't wear falsies. I think they're kind of annoying personally. They take too long for me to put them on, and I just don't think I need it. I think you could still achieve a really beautiful glam look without wearing falsies. For lips, I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. And oh my gosh, can you guys tell that I love it? I need a new one. This is embarrassing how small it is, but I just use it every single day. I just overline my lips and then fill them all in. Next, I'm going to put on the Charlotte Tilbury Pink Penelope lipstick. This is a really pretty light nude color, and I love the way it looks with the Pillow Talk lip liner. Add some gloss and we're good to go. Now that we're done with the makeup, let's move on to this killer velvet tuxedo. As a curvier woman especially, I see celebrity looks sometimes and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's beautiful, but look how thin they are. I could never pull that off. Well, I hope this video proves to you that that's not the case. So for this look, it's all about this velvet tuxedo and the makeup. So keep everything else to a minimum. Shay is wearing no bra in her images. I decided to wear a black lace bra. I like a bra sticking out under a suit. I just think it's sexy. If you're gonna do this, make sure you choose a really pretty black lace one. No granny bras, okay guys? What I love about this suit compared to the one that Shay wore is that the pants are a much slimmer silhouette and they're obviously straight, tight, and cropped. I think this look is a lot more flattering, especially for women of all body sizes. If you're a curvier woman, it'll definitely help make you look longer and leaner. Another option you can do is belt your tuxedo jacket. It just helps accentuate your waistline a little bit more. The tuxedo and the makeup speak enough for themselves, so you don't really need to go crazy with jewelry. But I did pair some little gold hoops and a gold necklace, similar to Shay's. Hers had diamonds and was like a little bit bolder than mine, but you know, you gotta work with what you have. You don't have to replicate it exactly. As you can see, you can still be inspired by a look and do something similar. It doesn't have to be exact. So I hope you guys loved this tutorial. If you want to see more get the looks like this, please let me know. Leave a message in the comments below. Let me know whose look you'd like me to try and do. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. Next week I have such an exciting video coming up. It's a full holiday lookbook. I have a New Year's one, and I partnered with my friend Amy to do a whole curvy and petite series, so I think you guys will really like it. So subscribe, and I'll see you guys back here next week. Alright, bye. Someone please invite me to a holiday party immediately because I want to wear this. Thank you.